Hi everyone, this is the preview of my project, so let's get started. So I'm using here a watercolor book and I'm going to first put some water. I'm using the brush and putting some water, and then I'm going to use this Derwent black pencil, and I'm going to just scribble on that. Then I'm using this watercolor paints which is called Angora. I'm going to spread out a little bit. Then I'm using little darker color in blues. And then I'm going to spread it out. Some grays. I'm using little bit of gray and yellow mixed in that. Then I'm adding yellow in this. Then I'm just blending it. So this is like a fun project. And it is definitely the inspiration from Dennis Love. Then I'm going to dry this. Now I'm using this oil pastel. It is from a brand called Mangeo. I'm just going to scribble it. And do some mark making. Then I'm using this pencil which is from Faber-Castell. I'm going to put everything in the description box. So I'm just going to do the mark making. Then I'm using different color and then putting like a dots. Then I'm using this gold paint. So I'm going to just use the cap and put the circle in the middle of the page. So I'm going to mention everything in the description box. Maybe the uh, camera uh, is not focused properly. So I'm going to dry this. Now I'm using the black pen and I'm just going to do the doodling. Now I'm going to use the stencil and acrylic paint that is black. This is from Crafter's workshop. Then I'm going to finish this project. So I will see you in my next project. Thanks for watching. Bye.